everybody, so let's do this. So unboxing the GoPro Karma Hero 6 Black. So I guess there's two different. There's a Karma with the Hero 5. It's a few $100s less. I got it for $920. It's not a bad price at all, I don't think. It was on sale for $850. So what's included? Hero 6 Black and mounting frame, the Karma drone, obviously the Karma controller, Karma grip, Karma stabilizer and harness for Hero 6 and Hero 5 Black. 6 propellers, so 4 and then 2 backups in case one breaks. Karma battery, Karma charger, and Karma case, which is this, which is really cool. Improvise. I'm gonna use nail clippers. So overall, the case is really cool. It's a nice little backpack, GoPro on the go, I guess you could say. It's a nice little clip. You could attach your GoPro right here. It's pretty nice. I have what I am recording on right now is a Hero 5 Session Black. It has 4K. This is pretty squared away. It's my cat. Okay. Anyways, let's get back to it. So here's the drone itself. I've never owned one of these. You know, this is my first drone ever. I think I started out pretty cool, pretty good. So far I'm impressed. You know, this is really neat. Damn cat. Stop it. Pretty cool. This is really neat actually. I'm assuming this is the up and down, this is the left and right. Pretty cool, pretty neat. Close this back up, put this back in its spot. Take this out. Take this stuff out. Here are the rotors. I'm gonna leave the rotors in there. I don't really want to take them out. Really want to take them out at the moment, just because, you know, I don't need to, honestly. So I'm gonna just put this back in here. Oh, it's backwards. There we go. Alright, here's the charger, I guess. Yeah, this is definitely the charger. Whatever that is. So now here's the Karma grip. If I could take it out of the damn box. This is pretty cool. Heard pretty good things about this. You know, I'm not gonna lie. This is neat. A lot of this stuff is neat. So now, from what I understand, you just place this back in here. Oh Lord, I don't know how it went in there now. I just squeeze in there.
Silence, who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their drones. In your head, they are crying. Taking over.